So that's why we select reverse blades for intake on the bottom. We do have 3 of them, so it'll fill it out and make it look really nice, along with the 3 fans from the cooler at the top, the 2 on the side and the 1 on the rear. It's going to be filled out, and he could put on some shades and really get an RGB tan going with this RGB system. So without further ado, I think you guys know what time it is. It's build time. So let's get building. Just gonna wait to see if somebody actually answered the question. Maybe the delay is a little longer than I thought on YouTube. It's build time. We're building yet again another awesome AIM-5 system. And what's up, Steve? I don't know if I told you. Welcome back to the Build Show. I know I commented on the power supply, but welcome back, sir. Another